Let's assess an electrical quote for a basement finishing job. Based on the information provided, a quote of $2,600 appears to be reasonable and in line with industry standards. Here's a breakdown. Firstly, materials including 14 non-IC recessed cans with trim should be an estimated cost of $250 to $350. One fluorescent light with a switch should be an estimated cost of $50 to $100. 11 general use duplex receptacles, an estimated cost of $50 to $100. One laundry receptacle with GFCI, an estimated cost of $20 to $40. One dryer receptacle, an estimated cost of $20 to $40. The permit should cost $40. Secondly, the labor at 20 hours at an assumed rate of $110 per hour totals $2,200. The total estimate falls within the range of $2,580 to $2,830. A quote of $2,600 falls within this range, indicating that it's not excessively high. However, it's important to consider the following factors. Geographical location is an important factor. Electrical labor rates can vary depending on the region. Complexity of the job must be considered. If there are any unforeseen challenges or complications, the time and cost may increase. The homeowner's expectations must also be considered. The homeowner may have different expectations or preferences that could affect the total cost. If the homeowner has concerns about the price, you can consider several tips for negotiation. Emphasize the quality of materials and workmanship, as well as the benefits of having a professionally installed electrical system. Offer a payment plan. Break down the cost into smaller payments to make it more manageable for the homeowner. Be willing to negotiate. Consider adjusting the labor hours or materials slightly while maintaining a reasonable profit margin. Provide a written estimate. This will give the homeowner time to review the details and compare it with other quotes they may have received. Ultimately, it's up to the homeowner to decide if they find the quote acceptable. By being professional, transparent, and willing to discuss the details, you can increase the likelihood of securing the job. Let's talk specifics regarding the electrical work mentioned. Firstly, consider the recessed lighting. Non-IC rated recessed cans require specific clearances from insulation to prevent overheating and fire hazards. IC rated cans, on the other hand, are insulation contact rated and can be directly abutted to insulation. The choice depends on the ceiling construction and insulation practices. The existing switch at the top of the stairs controls 10 recessed cans. Adding 2 new single-pole switches for the remaining 4 cans allows for flexible lighting zones. Consider the placement of these switches for optimal convenience. Secondly, focus on the fluorescent light. Recycling the homeowner's existing fluorescent light for the unfinished furnace room is a cost-effective solution. Ensure the fixture is in good working order and properly installed with a dedicated single-pole switch. Thirdly, receptacles must be discussed. 11 general-use duplex receptacles are required. Consider their placement to adequately serve the finished basement. At least one general-use receptacle needs GFCI protection. It is often recommended to locate GFCI protection in areas prone to moisture, although one is minimally required. The laundry receptacle requires GFCI protection according to electrical code. The dryer receptacle is a dedicated 240-volt circuit. This circuit must be properly sized for the dryer's amperage rating. The laundry and dryer are located near the panel board, which simplifies the wiring process. Ensure adequate working space around the panel board for safety and future maintenance. When assessing the cost of materials, consider the brand and quality of the electrical component. Using reputable brands ensures reliability and longevity. Labor costs should reflect the electrician's experience, skill, and prevailing wage rates in the Minneapolis area. A detailed written estimate should include a breakdown of all materials, labor, and permit fees. This provides transparency and helps the homeowner understand the scope of the project. When negotiating with the homeowner, be prepared to explain the value of your services and the importance of using quality materials. Emphasize the safety aspects of a professionally installed electrical system.
Addressing the homeowner's concerns and being willing to compromise can lead to a successful project outcome. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides the standards for safe electrical installations. Adherence to the NEC is crucial to ensure the safety of the occupants and the integrity of the electrical system. Consider the wire gauges and conduit types used for the various circuits. Proper sizing and installation are essential for preventing overheating and electrical hazards. Grounding is another critical aspect of electrical safety. Ensure that all receptacles and equipment are properly grounded to minimize the risk of electric shock. The permit process involves submitting plans and specifications to the local building department. An electrical inspector will review the work to ensure compliance with the NEC and local codes. The cost of the permit typically covers the inspection fees. Proper planning and execution are key to completing the basement finishing project efficiently and effectively. Coordination with other trades, such as framing, drywall, and flooring, is essential to ensure a smooth workflow. Consider the long-term implications of the electrical installation. Future expansion or modifications may require additional wiring or circuit capacity. Designing the electrical system with future needs in mind can save time and money in the long run. Proper documentation of the electrical work is important for future reference. Keep records of all wiring diagrams, circuit schedules, and inspection reports. Educate the homeowner on the operation and maintenance of the electrical system. Provide instructions on how to test GFCI receptacles and reset circuit breakers. Regular maintenance can help prevent electrical problems and prolong the life of the system. Consider the energy efficiency of the lighting and appliances. LED recess cans are more energy efficient than traditional incandescent bulbs. ENERGY STAR certified appliances can also help reduce energy consumption. The cost of electricity varies depending on the utility company and the time of year. Educating the homeowner on energy-saving practices can help them reduce their electricity bills. The installation of smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors is essential for safety. These devices should be properly located and tested regularly. Emergency lighting is also a valuable safety feature. Battery-powered or generator-backed lighting can provide illumination during power outages. Surge protection is important to protect electronic equipment from voltage spikes. Surge suppressors should be installed at the panel board and at individual outlets. Consider the aesthetics of the electrical installation. Neat and professional wiring contributes to the overall appearance of the finished basement. Proper labeling of circuits and components makes it easier to troubleshoot problems in the future. Communication with the homeowner is essential throughout the project. Keep them informed of the progress and any changes that may be necessary. Addressing their concerns and answering their questions promptly can help build trust and ensure a positive experience. The final inspection by the electrical inspector is a critical step in the process. The inspector will verify that the work meets all code requirements and is safe for use. Addressing any deficiencies identified by the inspector is essential to obtain final approval. The homeowner should receive a certificate of occupancy or similar document upon successful completion of the inspection. This document verifies that the electrical work has been approved and is safe for use. The value of a professionally installed electrical system extends beyond safety and functionality. It also adds value to the home and increases its appeal to potential buyers. A well-designed and properly installed electrical system is an investment that will pay dividends for years to come. Consider the use of smart home technology in the basement finishing project. Smart lighting, thermostats, and security systems can enhance the convenience and comfort of the space. The cost of smart home technology has decreased in recent years, making it more accessible to homeowners. The installation of low-voltage wiring for data and communication is also important. Ethernet cables and coaxial cables can provide reliable internet and television connections. Consider the placement of these cables to minimize clutter and ensure optimal performance. The selection of electrical boxes and wiring devices should be based on the specific application and code requirements. Metal boxes are generally preferred for durability and fire resistance. Wiring devices should be listed by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories or ETL. The use of arc fault circuit interrupters, or SICE, is required in many areas of the home. A SICE protects against electrical fires caused by arcing faults. Consider the use of tamper-resistant receptacles in areas where children may be present. Tamper-resistant receptacles prevent children from inserting objects into the slots. The selection of lighting fixtures should be based on the desired ambience and energy efficiency. LED lighting is a popular choice due to its long lifespan and low energy consumption. Dimmable lighting can create a more relaxed atmosphere and save energy. The use of occupancy sensors can automatically turn lights on and off when someone enters or leaves a room. This can save energy and reduce the hassle of manually switching lights. The installation of a subpanel in the basement may be necessary if the existing panel board is full. A subpanel provides additional circuit capacity and simplifies the wiring process. The size of the subpanel should be based on the anticipated electrical load. The use of a whole house surge protector can protect all of the electrical equipment in the home from voltage spikes. A whole house surge protector is installed at the main panel board. The installation of a generator can provide backup power during power outages. A generator can power essential appliances and lighting. The size of the generator should be based on the anticipated power needs. The use of a transfer switch is required to safely connect a generator to the electrical system. A transfer switch prevents backfeeding power onto the utility grid. The installation of a solar panel system can generate electricity and reduce reliance on the utility grid. Solar panels can be installed on the roof or on the ground. The size of the solar panel system should be based on the available sunlight and the desired energy production. The use of a net metering agreement with the utility company allows homeowners to receive credit for excess electricity generated by their solar panels. The installation of an electric vehicle charging station can provide convenient charging for electric vehicles. Electric vehicle charging stations can be installed in the garage or on the driveway. The charging station should be compatible with the type of electric vehicle being charged. The installation of a home automation system can integrate various electrical devices and systems. A home automation system can control lighting, thermostats, security systems, and entertainment systems. The system can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or tablet. The use of a central vacuum system can provide convenient and efficient cleaning. A central vacuum system consists of a central power unit and a network of pipes and inlets. The vacuum is operated by plugging a hose into an inlet. The installation of a water leak detection system can prevent water damage from leaks. The system can detect leaks from pipes, appliances, and fixtures. The system can automatically shut off the water supply to prevent further damage. The use of a carbon monoxide detector with a digital display can provide accurate and reliable monitoring of carbon monoxide levels. The display shows the current carbon monoxide level and alerts the occupants if dangerous levels are detected. The installation of a radon mitigation system can reduce radon levels in the home. Radon is a radioactive gas that can cause lung cancer. A radon mitigation system typically involves installing a vent pipe and fan to draw radon gas from under the foundation and vent it outside. The use of a smart thermostat can save energy and improve comfort. A smart thermostat learns the homeowner's preferences and automatically adjusts the temperature accordingly. The thermostat can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or tablet. The installation of a security camera system can provide surveillance and deter crime. Security cameras can be installed indoors and outdoors. The cameras can record video and send alerts to the homeowner's smartphone or tablet. The use of a video doorbell can allow homeowners to see and speak to visitors remotely. The doorbell sends a live video feed to the homeowner's smartphone or tablet. The homeowner can unlock the door remotely using the app. The installation of a home theater system can provide a high-quality entertainment experience. A home theater system typically includes a large screen television or projector, surround sound speakers, and a media player. The system can be customized to the homeowner's preferences and budget.